If you look at this question, students, it's given in the problem 0a b0 to the power of 4 is equal to I. So we can break this like this, no? We can break this 0a b0 square into 0a b0 square, that is equal to 1001. Is it right? So we'll find out 0a b0 whole square, that is equal to 0a b0 multiplied by 0a b0. So you can write this as 0 plus ab and 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, ab plus 0. So this value will be equal to ab 0 0 ab. Is it right? So here I can write AB 0 0 AB multiplied with the AB 0 0 AB, that is equal to 1001. So I can write A square B square 0 0 A square B square, that is equal to 1001. This implies to me that A square B square is equal to 1. So AB is equal to plus or minus 1. AB is equal to 1 is seen as the option.